poultry at the African Center for Community and Development. These are our breeder stock for ensuring that the feed world lays us eggs so that we can have giant poultry species. They're a collection of very important meat-giving varieties, and one is very impressed about how the fowls are coming up. Dried plantain leaves, which is going to act as nursery for fowls and for rabbits. It's going to be their nest. Very nice natural material that you can find in Africa, and using things that you find around you helps to cut costs, and it is also a form of biomimicry, as the animals feel like they are in the wild. We hope that you work with us in order to vulgarize our tested sustainable practices at the African Center for Community and Development. So you see, we are fixing spaces for fowls to lay. We are also recycling this old tree. Many of these are caught up in landfills, and many of them emit chlorofluorocarbons. We are prolonging their shelf life here by using them for breeding poultry. At the African Center for Community and Development. It can also be used, or has been used, in breeding snails. As you can see, those are holes for respiration, for breeding. So there are multiple ways of using things in Africa to cut costs and also to empower the vulnerable, or to spur them to adopt to livestock keeping as a form of livelihood. Here is civet as well. Simply to butter. We are sure a hen would definitely like it. It has the necessary privacy. Preparation of nest is good. Immediately you start getting sounds that your hens are having eggs. There are even some signs, as you can see, with their mouths, their beaks open. Sakwe is a trainee at the African Center for Community and Development. Hello, Sakwe. He's also a student, science student. We are hoping that he's going to translate his knowledge here in what he does and in the future. Thank you very much for watching the African Center for Community and Development. That's not Thanks for watching.